In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with Freshsales. If you're running Facebook lead ads, the goal is to get every new submission into your Freshsales CRM without manual copy-paste. We'll use Zapier as the connector, and I'll walk you through the exact setup so leads land in the right place with the right details. Start in Freshsales. From admin settings, open third-party integrations, find the Zapier integration, install it if prompted, and open it. This takes you to the place where Freshsales and Zapier can communicate so you can build the automation. If you don't see Zapier immediately, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have admin access. In Zapier, create a new zap. A zap is simply a trigger followed by an action. For the trigger app, choose Facebook lead ads. Select the trigger event called New Lead. This fires every time someone submits your Facebook lead form, so it's ideal for capturing prospects the moment they respond to your ad. Connect your Facebook account and grant Zapier permission to read lead data. You'll then pick the Facebook page and the exact form whose leads you want to capture. If you manage multiple pages or have several versions of a form, double-check you're selecting the one that's actively running on your ad set. Choosing the correct form here ensures only the right submissions flow into Freshsales. For the action, select Freshsales Suite or Freshsales Classic, depending on your edition. If your Freshsales account shows the Suite interface with unified modules, choose Suite, otherwise choose Classic. Then pick the action event that matches your workflow. Create Contact is ideal if you primarily work with contacts. Create Lead fits teams that qualify leads before converting them. Update Contact is useful when you already have records and want to enrich them with new details. Next, map fields from Facebook to Freshsales. At minimum, map name and email to the corresponding Freshsales fields. Pay attention to how the name is provided. Some forms send first and last name separately, while others send a full name. Map additional details like company and any custom questions your form collects to the appropriate Freshsales fields so your team has context. Clear, consistent field mapping prevents duplicates and keeps your lists clean. That's it. With this setup, every new Facebook lead will flow straight into Freshsales, organized exactly the way your team expects, so you can follow up faster and never miss an opportunity.